back to another video. My name's Savvy and today I want to share some information on vitamin E and the role it plays in our health, how much we need per day, and some top food sources that contain rich amounts of it. So vitamin E functions primarily as an antioxidant, and what this basically means is it's able to neutralize reactive oxygen compounds. And another word for this that you've probably heard more often is free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that just are naturally floating around in your body, and they're trying to steal electrons from other molecules in order to become stable. Now, some free radicals have preferences in the types of cells and tissues that they like to go after and try to steal from. So something that vitamin E is really good for is it's able to neutralize the free radicals that like to attack the healthy fats in our membranes. And this really matters when it comes to the health of your red blood cells, your brain and nervous tissue, your lungs and immune system, and your skin. So when we're deficient in vitamin E, our red blood cells can actually rupture, causing a type of anemia called hemolytic anemia. This is most common in premature infants because there's very little transfer of vitamin E from the mother to her fetus until the very last weeks of pregnancy. In adults, deficiency causes symptoms of nerve degeneration, poor muscle coordination, weakness, impaired vision, scaly or peeling skin, and a compromised immune system. This is why 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day is recommended for both men and women. And good food sources include sunflower seeds, wheat germ oil, salmon, many other types of fish and seafood, almonds, broccoli, and many green leafy vegetables, especially spinach. And be sure to also consume foods that are rich in vitamin C, because vitamin C is actually able to recharge vitamin E's antioxidant powers so it can continue to neutralize these free radicals and prevent inflammation and oxidative stress. So I hope you guys have learned a little about vitamin E. It's a pretty cool nutrient, and it's one of those ones where you can get it, from a variety of different plant foods. So I'm not gonna recommend, taking a supplement or consuming maybe a couple animal foods in your diet for this one, because it's pretty easy to get, and a lot of multivitamin supplements will also have it, but it's not in such a bioavailable form, so I would really try to get it from food if possible. If you are interested in learning about nutrient-rich eating, you can visit my website and check out my blog and meal plans and free starter guide. I think that's all for today, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.